Hi guys! Today I show you the easy and quick way that we make this mango juice. I make it in two different ways that are totally delicious. If you want to know how I do it, come and hazlo con su. For the first recipe, we will be using mangoes and oranges. We are going to use 4 oranges, and we can do this by hand, or like me, I am using an electric juicer. These 4 oranges gave me 2 cups of juice. Then we're going to peel the mangoes. We cut the flesh and we cut it into pieces as close to the seed as we can, being careful not to cut yourself. Then we're going to add these to the blender together with the 2 cups of orange juice. And I added 1 cup of water. And if you do not have oranges, you can substitute for all water if you choose to. Depending on how sweet the mangoes and oranges are, you can add sugar. This is totally to your taste. I used 2 tablespoons of sugar. I also added 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 cup of ice. And we're going to blend until smooth, and then we're going to serve. This is totally delicious. Besides fresh orange juice, this is my second favorite. It tastes so tropical, fresh, and I usually enjoy it as part of my breakfast, and I promise you, you're going to love this. Now I'm going to show you how I prepare my second juice, and this time it's going to be a smoothie. We are going to be using 3 mangoes, and we're going to do the same. We're going to peel it, cut it into pieces, and we are going to add it to the blender. And to the blender, I already added 2 cups of ice. I also added 1 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt, 1 can of evaporated milk, and we're going to blend. We are going to taste it and see if it needs sugar. Sugar is totally to your taste. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of condensed milk because I had a little bit, didn't want to go to waste. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to blend until smooth, and then we are going to serve. This one is so good that literally everyone in my house loves this. It is so hot here in Texas. Today is 100 degrees. So what I did, I made a mango smoothie. It is so good.
That tastes super good.
So I'm enjoying one right now.
And
go ahead and make one yourself too.
And she can make it the next day.
And I'm gonna make another one tomorrow. I really hope that you make these juices since they are so easy to make, quick, and super delicious, and I assure you that you and your whole family are going to enjoy it. If you like this video, give me thumbs up and share it. If you have not done so, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. Also follow me on all my social media at Hazlo con Su. Now you know how I do it. Bye!